Hello everyone, this is Jennifer and I'm back with another set of 10 cards using one kit. This time I used the December 2020 Spellbinders card kit. It's called Heart Hands, and this is the flyer. No, the packaging insert. It's like an inspiration insert. So as you know, it comes with all of those things there. Fun stuff. This I didn't use, but I'm sure I will in the future. Okay, so let's get on with it. Here's the first one that I made, or that I'm showing you. It's not the first card that I made. So I just used the pattern paper. It's not cardstock, as you know. It's just paper. It's paper grade. Like copy paper, thicker than copy paper, but not as thick as cardstock. So this is the paper pad that comes with the kit. I love this. I love this. If you watched my previous video, I mentioned that I love prints, flowery prints, especially if they're like little prints on it. Hang on, let me look like this one. Isn't that dainty? It's so beautiful. And then here's the other one that I like, and then this one, and then I'm looking for the other one, the blue. This one. I'm not sure. I think they're called calico prints in the paper crafting world, but don't quote me on that. So anyway, I just used, I made a collage of the different ephemera that came in the kit. You know by now, if you've been watching my series of videos using my Spellbinders card kits, that I love card making with or using ephemera. So that's the, oh, and these are just some gems that I always show this in my videos. These are gems that I got from Ali that I put in these Dollar Tree bins. So 3 different sizes, and that's why you'll see 3 different sizes here. Small, medium, and large. All right, that's the first one. Second one is about the same, and another clustering of ephemera. And it's a very simple layout. I use that paper that I love from the paper pack. That's an ephemera pack. I mean, that's from the ephemera pack. And of course, I use stickles. I just love how much oomph it gives a card. And this is my favorite one, the Stardust. Okay, stickles. And then here's another card that I made using the ephemera again. It came with a bunch of tags. The kit came with a bunch of tags. See, all of those. So I just used one of them and put them as like the grounding board for all these ephemera. And then of course the bling. There it is. And then this is still part of the paper pack, and it's this one. It's like a scene pattern, a scene design, which I love. So I just cut that into the size of a card base, an A2 card base, and I stamped, "If I could take away your pain, I would." I think it's a beautiful scene for a sympathy card, which I hope to never use, but you'll never know. So you got to be ready with one, and that's from this stamp. "If I could take away your pain, I would." And I got this from Ali. I don't know who the original one is. I just I think I bought this maybe 2-3 years ago from Ali. I just typed sympathy stamps, and this came up and I bought it. Again, that's from Ali. So again, I think this might be my most favorite of all the 10 that I made. "If I could take away your pain, I would." I love that stamp. And I'm going to show you this again. It says, "Let me tell you something about your lovely mom," or, dad. "I don't have a magic wand to make it all go away, but..." And then I don't really know what to say, but I thought this card was a good first step. Here's a card anyway. I think those two go with these. "Feeling your loss," "It's not fair," "Sending you a paper hug," with heartfelt condolences. Hold on to the love, not the loss. I don't think I'll ever use that because it's like, I don't know, it's like, I wouldn't like to hear that at the time, you know, the first few weeks that I'm grieving. I wouldn't want to hear that. That's just me. Anyway, here's the other, what I did with these two, I cut them into 3. These are both, because it's a 6x6, right? So I just cut it, oh no, it's this way. I just cut it in 2 and made it into a card front. And so there it is. It's like postcardy looking, you know. You just put something here and there and you're done. Grow every day. So what I was going for, my thought was, you're here on let's probably on the other mountain and you're looking out to there. That's why this is in the foreground and you're looking at this flower. I don't know. It's just my imagination, you guys. And then here's another one. Again, same concept. And then this one, another clustering of ephemera. That's a tag from the ephemera pack. This background paper is, where is that here? This one. Ooh, whoa, sorry. There it is. It's like inks and scissors and wand, brushes. So it's like artsy. So I took all the artsy ephemera stuff and then I put create, right? It's for someone crafty, probably just to say hello, just, you know, whatever. This one is about correspondence. So it's all letters. So I picked out all the letter writing stuff in the ephemera pack. Super simple. I just used this paper pack, which, I mean, the pattern paper, which is this one. I cut it, and then I think that's a 3, and then this is a 1 inch by 5.5, and I just, because these, if you put them here, they'll drown in it, so I decided to put that black and put all these elements here. But that's it, simple and easy. I started this morning, and then this one, oh no, maybe I made the 5 yesterday, and then the next 5 this morning. And it's 10:30 now, and I'm filming, and I hope to upload right after. So, and it's a Tuesday. Here's the next one. Again, a clustering of the ephemera. What I'm going for here is, you know, I'm going to give this to someone who loves to travel, take pictures, listen to music. That's a vinyl record. That's a cassette. Who remembers these things? Who remembers using them? I know those things bring me back. So the papers that I used are this one, which is like a dotted pattern. And then, what's the other one? Oh, and the heart, the hands, the one that has hands. Hang on, un momento. Sorry about that. I'm trying to show you the papers that I used. So I'll just show you the remnants. But yeah, this is the paper that I used in this. So, oh, and then I just cut a scallop circle just to ground all of them. That's another paper from the paper pad. This is the last one. Again, I love this paper. I used this one for the scallop oval, and it's a set from Spellbinders. S4907, and this is called Fancy Edged Ovals. And then, oh, I forgot to show you the die that I used for the circle on this one. It's this, and this is from Ali. I didn't even know I had this. I was cleaning up, and I've been cleaning up my craft room. I'm trying to organize my stuff, 'cause, you know, we accumulate things. And I found that one in my bin, because I have a bin of things that arrive, you know, in a span of months. I don't always, you know, have the time to put things away. So I have that bin where when I buy stuff at Hobby Lobby or, you know, anywhere here or anything online, I just put them for sorting and storage later. And I finally got to it this last week. So That's how I found those circles that I bought from Ali. Scallop circles. So anyway, back to this card. I'm sorry. Paper from the paper pad. Paper also from the paper pad. That paper that I love, that I showed you earlier. This one. Not that you can see that. But yeah, it's just another clustering of, this is a chipboard sticker from the chipboard pack. So that's the chipboard pack. And she's from this. And then ephemera, another chipboard. It says, no beauty shines brighter than that of a good heart. I think I'm going to give that to either one of my daughters or to a good friend. But that's a beautiful sentiment right there. And I put the sequins that come from the kit. And that's my last card. So let me show you some of the, since we're still just at 10 minutes. That's the chipboard sticker. Here's the stamp that came with the kit. Here's the die, and these are huge. Like, look at that. That's my hands. And these are heart hands. That's the flower that I said looked really nice to use. This matches this, and you can cut that out. You're the best. I'm sorry for all the glare. And then it came with this too. I showed you to the tag set already. I showed you to the paper pack. And that's it that I have to show. Hopefully you have a great day. I hope to upload this as quickly as I finish it. And that's it till I see you again. Bye.